Plug in current transformers with a PicoMax pluggable connector and 1 ampere output from WAGO. With a carrier rail adapter, you can mount the current transformer on the DIN rail quickly and easily. For mounting several interconnected current transformers, snap fit another carrier rail adapter and fix the pre-assembled unit on the carrier rail. With 2 screws, you can fix the current transformer easily on the mounting plate. The interlinked current transformers have a pin spacing of 17.5 millimeters for space saving, direct use via the circuit breaker. The PicoMax connector can be pre-assembled quickly and easily. After that, you just have to plug the connector in the current transformer.